Welcome to the latest edition of AI in Healthcare and Digital Health Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. UC Santa Cruz's Pulse Fi estimates the heart rate by filtering amplitude changes in Wi-Fi reflections. 2 experiments, one including 7 stationary and one including over 100 mixed-activity participants, were conducted. Results for Pulse Fi showed a reported error under 1.5 beats per minute, ability to perform about 10 feet away across postures, while using low-cost hardware, roughly $5 to $10 for ESP32 or about $30 for Raspberry Pi. Multi-user pilots are beginning. Potential use cases include contactless monitoring and payer discussions, with interpretation dependent on study design and confounding control. ODE-based models trained on Venx longitudinal counts forecast neutropenia during venetoclax plus azacitidine. Individualized train test error declines as cycles accrue, with roughly 5 cycles needed for strong predictions. Accuracy varies by patient, which may shape prescriber and payer decisions as full data emerge. Amazon is adding vending machines that will dispense common prescriptions such as antibiotics, inhalers, and blood pressure medicines, starting in December in Los Angeles one medical clinics. No controlled or refrigerated drugs will be available. Prescriptions will be verified by Amazon pharmacists, with pickup available in minutes via an app QR. Further expansion is planned. This could streamline initiation and adherence. Interest in Neuralink's robotic surgeons is rising. The company cites about 10,000 on a waitlist, 12 trial implants to date, targeting 25 by year-end, with no FDA approval for sale. A robotic arm inserts ultra-fine threads. Reported latency is about 10 times faster than brain-to-muscle output per a Morgan Stanley report. Signals pipeline investment and modality expansion. Microsoft is licensing Harvard Health publishing content to enhance Copilot health answers as part of diversifying beyond OpenAI models. An update could arrive as soon as this month per reporting. Microsoft declined comment. Harvard was not responsive. The online Agents for Science event on 22nd October received over 300 AI agent submissions, 48 of which were accepted. Organizers will compare AI versus human reviews, map agent error modes, and measure human-AI interaction levels to inform evaluation practices. A collaboration between DeepMind and Yale is aiming to open a new path in cancer treatment. Using C2S scale 27b, about 4,000 drugs were screened across contexts, then hypotheses were validated in human cell models. Silmitasertib plus low-dose interferon increased antigen presentation by roughly 50% in specific immune contexts. This effort is in preclinical stage, looking at cardiovascular disease prevention in China. A perspective highlights gaps across urban and rural settings, the need for privacy safeguards, and integration into care. Mobile health plus AI risk stratification could expand access, yet fragmentation and health literacy barriers remain. The Global Registry of Acute Coronary Events Scoring System was validated in 609,063 STEA-CS patients. External validation spanned 7 countries, with the verdict RCT informing an individualized treatment effect model. In-hospital AUC is about 0.90, 1-year AUC about 0.84. The model flags subgroups benefiting from early invasive care, hazard ratio 0.60, with 95% CI 0.41 to 0.88. One Medical has introduced pay-per-visit pediatric telehealth. For ages 2 to 11, message visits are $29 and video visits $49, with no One Medical membership required. It covers common conditions and renewals, with prescriptions via Amazon Pharmacy or a preferred pharmacy. This DTC model can streamline initiation and adherence. Stay ahead in digital health research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.